Okay, let's go over homework 1.2, 2.1, number 2. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find the x value so that the distance between these 2 points is going to be equal to 5. All right, so let's bring out the paper. Alright, so let's find the distance between these two. So using distance formula, so D is going to be, so distance D is going to be square root of, right? Remember that you can call this guy, say, x1 and y1 and x2 and y2, so that we can use the formula easily. Alright, so this is going to be x2, which is x2 here, minus x1, which is 4, squared, plus y2, which is negative 3, minus y1. So it's 1 squared, right? So that's equal to 5. Right, so that's the equation. So let's go back and type it in. So this is going to be 4, and this is going to be negative 3. So negative 3. Right, so we have that. Then we expand under the square root. So let's expand that. So this is going to give us, right, square root of, right, if you multiply that out, you get x squared minus 8x plus negative 4 squared would be 16, right? Plus negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Then you want to square that. So negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Right? That's equal to 5. Right? So we can, we probably want to clean up a little bit inside the square root. So you have a square root here. So you have x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus 16 is 32 is equal to 5. Right, so go back and type it in. Alright, so this is going to be x squared, so I guess you have to use this, x squared, right, minus 8x plus 32. Right, type that in. Alright, then square both sides of the equation. We can easily do that. We basically take away the square root. So it's going to be exactly the same thing. So x squared minus 8x plus 32. Alright. Alright, so by subtracting both sides, maybe I should use the paper here. Okay, so this became, right, by squaring both sides, we get x squared minus 8x plus 32 is equal to 25, 5 squared, right? Then you can subtract 25 from both sides. We get x squared minus 8x. Right, 32 minus 25 is positive 7 equal to 0. Alright, so we can write it as, like I type it in, so it's x squared minus 8x plus 7. Alright, so we have that, and then All right, then we have, let's say, factor the equation. So factor it out. So maybe you down it here. So if you factor this out, you have x, let's see, minus 1 and x minus 7. Would that work out? If you multiply -1 and a negative, you get positive 7. And add these guys up, -8. So it works out. All right. So you have quantity x minus 1 times x minus 7. All right. So we got that. All right. Then let's see. Then answer is going to be, it's clear that it's going to be 1 and 7. 7. All right. So we have that. All right, let's see if, so let's just submit and see if we get the right answer. So testing for, submit for testing. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I came back and you can see that, let's see, got the correct, and these are correct, these are correct, and then scroll down a bit, and yep, everything is correct. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.